So just 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, you can just make this body shape. How to create the body shapes and draw. Before start the drawing. Nowadays I prefer this way to when I what the techniques apply. Okay. So I actually showing this interaction with the watercolor. So I just make a more few start the before start the final drawing. I show few practice color techniques. Then we make it the final drawing. Okay. This is just for sketching. Okay, not at all in detail. Then next drawing I come to the color. That habituate this where the darken, where the light things I'm using in this drawing. That's same thing apply with the color. Okay. Hello. Good evening, ma'am. Tell me. The same link. Same link. I just send the again the link. Okay. Say hi Tapan, and send the same link. Okay. So make it. This is this kind of long feather. Okay. Black. Here is a black. The stone. How to create this. So when we are making with the watercolor sketching a full body of birds, then we are applying this dark and depth line to the white, and this is some gray color. This bird. So like this. Like this. Make it line. Here also.
Good evening, sir.
Hi Steve, how are you, beta?
Yes, sir. Nice, sir. Can I show my drawings which I made recently?
Yes, very good. Please showing, beta.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir.
Mm. Show me. Like this.
Yes, sir. Can I show it, sir?
Please show this.
Yes, sir. This is it. Sir, can I see?
Oh, that's good.
And this, sir.
Very good.
And this, sir.
Very nice. Let's start this drawing first. First make it the circle and then do like this. First, okay, Steve,
Yes, sir.
and make this drawing first. Sketching. I will start the color now. Watercolor. So you have enough time. How much you are can draw. You can go now. You can do the start. Start the drawing first because I can color it. No, first make it the. No need to say it. Directly start color because it's taking time for you.